Today, we'll show you how to install your Britax Poplar convertible car seat rear-facing using the seatbelt. Before placing the seat in a vehicle, recline the unoccupied seat to the appropriate position. Pull the recline handle and rotate the seat until the recline indicator ball is in the correct position for a rear-facing child. For rear-facing installation, the indicator ball must be completely within the blue section. If you have difficulty achieving the proper angle, refer to your user guide. Place the seat rear-facing in the vehicle so that the base is flat and parallel to the vehicle seat. Open the ClickTight. Start by lifting the front cover flap, then squeeze the release buttons. Slide the lap and shoulder parts of the vehicle seatbelt into the rear-facing belt pads. Buckle the seatbelt. Ensure the belt is not twisted. Remove slack from the lap portion of the seatbelt. Then, remove slack from the shoulder portion. Close the ClickTight. Ensure both gray ClickTight release buttons are visible. Ensure the recline is in an appropriate position. Check that the car seat cannot be moved front to back or side to side more than 1 inch at the belt path. Follow the same process for the Poplar S convertible car seat. Happy travels!